The exterior design of Sanyang ADXTG 400 is one of its biggest highlights. This vehicle is biomimetically designed based on the saber-toothed tiger prototype. The front of the vehicle uses extremely aggressive LED headlights paired with tooth-shaped daytime running lights, like a beast ready to go on the road. This design not only restores the shape of the saber-toothed tiger's mouth, nose and teeth, but also gives the entire vehicle a strong crossover feel and maximizes the visual impact. It is obvious that it is better in appearance. While the design of the Honda ADV350 reflects the traditional ADV style, the Kymco X350 is a bit mediocre. In contrast, the unique design of the ADXTG 400 is expected to be widely accepted. It is equipped with a 399cc single-cylinder, water-cooled, 4-valve engine that produces 25.7 kilowatts of maximum power and 37.2 Nm of maximum torque. These data are much higher than the Honda ADV350 and Kymco X350, especially in terms of power, as they are 4 kilowatts more than both. In addition, the double balance shaft design is also used, which allows the engine to operate more smoothly and with less vibration. At the same time, the application of the chain drive system in the middle of the vehicle improves the vehicle's overall road-holding performance, making the vehicle stand out in sports performance. In terms of configuration, although it is slightly behind the Honda ADV350 and Kymco X350 in some aspects, its overall performance is still remarkable. While a long-stroke inverted front shock absorber and a multi-link middle rear shock absorber are used, the Honda ADV350 has a KYB gas tank rear shock absorber, and the Kymco X350 has features such as handlebar heating and electric windshield. It has front and rear ABS and TCS, traction control system. It also uses a TFT instrument panel that offers clear images and rich information. In addition, an aluminum alloy rear swing arm has been added, which makes the vehicle lighter and more maneuverable. In general, although its configuration is not as rich as the Honda ADV350 and Kymco X350, it has obvious advantages in terms of price.